to our channel. Today, we're in the middle of the desert, somewhere between Victorville and Barstow. And we got a surprise for you. You got to stick with this one to see what we do. It involves helicopters and dropping weights onto a sand city. So we're building the sand city now. We got great sand to work with. We got a full team. We're all excited for this one. Wow.
Right? Because like for a bunch of people that's a big deal and we kind of want it to be a big deal.
You're dropping how many?
10,000 pennies.
That's cool.
Yeah. And we're gonna Yeah, no, that looks really good.
Doing my best.
All right, you're hired. I thought you had a real job.
Right?
You can pick your building. We'll make it flat for your drone.
What do you think? You guys got some good ideas?
Yeah, so you don't want that on the dirt? Or you don't care?
That on the dirt? Yeah, it can go on the dirt. Yeah.
Oh god.
Are you done? Not like maybe put that green.
I never will. Oh my!
Oh, there it comes. I see it falling. It hit the sandcastle.
What did it hit?
Right at the sandcastle.
That was. I was hoping you were right. Now I'm like, okay. I was thinking it would be like close.
Can I come and talk to you?
If this doesn't come close, I don't know what we're gonna do.
They're already at altitude, so they're just gonna go straight and drop.
Okay. Right, they should hover, right? Okay, alright.
Nice.
That wasn't far off.
Good work.
That's something from 100 meters. I'll take it.
Yeah, go ahead and yank that out there, Caitlin. That go ahead. It's not heavy.
Oh, we gotta wait. We're waiting. Oh, I got
There it goes. That's okay. Yeah.
I guess you'll know.
I saw the footage on the previous drop, and it looked good.
500 meters. Maybe let's stand across the city. Looking for a 1 minute, 30 second, and 10-second countdown.
In like
There's a single line. Nobody's hurt.
yes.
No properties damaged.
Victory.
Victory.
Everybody's okay.
Everyone's okay.
Yes.
Right? That was
Yes.
victory.
Victory.